Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to share a community via Instagram DMs in X. Sharing a community through Instagram allows you to connect with like-minded individuals and invite them to join your community directly through direct messages. We'll provide a step-by-step guide on how to share a community via Instagram DMs in X. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Make sure you're on the home screen to begin the process. Step 2. Locate the middle icon in the bottom drawer of the app. This icon represents the community section. Tap on it to access the community page. Step 3. Look for the desired community icon or use the search icon to find the community you want to share. Once you find it, tap on the community to enter its page. Step 4. Scroll up on the community page to reveal additional options. Among these options, you'll find the share icon. Tap on it to initiate the sharing process. Step 5. In the sharing options, tap on Share Via and select Instagram Chats. This will open your Instagram app and allow you to send a direct message with the community details to the desired recipients. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to share a community via Instagram DMs in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.